Okay, second grade. So we are going to be putting together your presentation, your All About You presentation, and then we're going to present them to the class so we can learn a little bit more about you. So what you're going to do with PowerPoint is you're going to go to the blank presentation. I want you to start with this one just so that you can edit it from here. But what I'm going to teach you today is how to insert your photo onto the first slide and how to edit that first slide. From there, it'll be super easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to insert this little tab right here at the top and click there. Then you're going to go to pictures. You're going to select your photo and then you can resize it by these little corners here. And then let's say we can dress up our slide a little bit more. So if you want to go to design right here, I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. The next thing you can do is you can go to Format at the very top, and that's where you can put a picture border. You just drop it down. You're going to want to go down to the weight down here, and then I would at least do like a 3-point just so it's a good border around it. You can resize it if you're wanting it bigger. For your title, I want you to put all about and your name. Here. And then if you're wanting to change this background color, you are more than welcome to. So what you'll do is you'll go up here to Design at the top. And then you can see where mine's right here, my little background. You'll go to this arrow pointing down with a line over it. And that's where you'll click down and you can go to colors, and then it'll give you a whole range. So you can play with these if you want to, go through and pick the color that you like the best. Kind of really liking that original blue. So you can do that. And then if you're wanting to make another slide, you can either go to Insert, Home with New Slide and click it there. And I clicked another title slide because I realized that there wasn't anything on this design. So another title slide, and then this is where you can go ahead and put in some information and we can add more photos.